I started on this build a little over a year ago on a die-cast Hot Wheels Ferrari Mondial for a customer to repaint it in white to mimic the car that his dad used to have in his youth. Now the model was disassembled, the paint was stripped, it was then sanded and primed and also painted white. I then decided to set it aside to cure for about a year before picking it back up due to various other reasons, but it was long overdue to get finished. Now the most parts that still needed to be done was masking off the body and painting all of the flat black areas. So first of all I started masking all of them off and could then move it into the spray booth. For the flat black, I will be using Tamiya Lacquer Paints number 3, the flat black. Now this will be painted on with the Gaahlerie GHAC 98. This one has a 0.38mm needle and is perfect for this scale and this size, and also the work that is going to be done right here. If you're interested in purchasing one of these airbrushes, I will be leaving a link in the description down below to the Gaahlerie Amazon webshop. And also I will be giving away 2 of these airbrushes, or at least 2 different styles of airbrushes from Gaahlerie in the webshop. The 25th order will win one of these airbrushes, and also the previous giveaway is still running on the other version of the Gaahlerie airbrush. So again, the 25th order in the webshop tsmc.shop will win one of these airbrushes. With all of the black now applied, I could start unmasking it and doing a couple of little touch-ups, but overall it was pretty neat and I was really happy with the result, so I could move on to the final assembly. Now since I disassembled this model over a year ago, it was kind of a touch and go to see which parts needed to go in which manner and which needed to go first and last, and it was a bit of a assemble, disassemble, and figuring out which needed to go where, like I've already said. Luckily, I filmed a lot of this in the last episode, so that was a lot of help just looking back, but overall it wasn't all too hard. I just needed to put some screws in differently and in different places, so that took some disassembly. But overall, everything really nicely went together again, just as I disassembled it, but then repainted it white. As you might have noticed, the interior and chassis were not touched on this model as they were already in the correct color. The exterior on the car for the customer was white and the interior was tan, and on the model the exterior was red and now repainted white, and the interior was already tan, and the chassis pretty much was fully detailed and ready to go, so that was untouched and simply could be put together really easily after all of the other parts have been repainted. And with those final grills now in place, we can call this one finished. So I had a couple of photos from the customer from the original car, not too many, so not a lot of reference material, but most of the wishes were pretty much simply painted white and just leave it as is for the rest. So that is what I did, and overall I'm really happy with the result, and this one is going to be sent off to the customer for him to enjoy. Now I do want to note that I am not looking for any new commission builds. I'm just finishing off the final ones that I have, and will then be focusing on my own work and just getting back into the joy of modeling and not working for others. So don't send me messages or emails. I'm not looking for more commission work. I hope you enjoyed this video series. Even though it took about a year to finish, I'm still really glad I could show you the final results, and I hope you liked it as well.